Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your EETV Box Pro can disrupt your viewing experience. This guide will walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps to restore your connection. The first step in troubleshooting is ensuring proper positioning. Your EETV Box Pro should be within 10 meters of your router with minimal obstructions like walls or furniture blocking the signal path. Begin with basic troubleshooting steps that resolve the majority of connectivity issues. First, restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, reset your EETV Box Pro by holding the power button or unplugging it briefly. Network authentication failures account for approximately 35% of connectivity problems. These issues often stem from WPA3 security protocol conflicts. If your router uses WPA3, try switching to WPA2 or mixed WPA2-PA3 mode for better compatibility. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, navigate to your EETV Box Pro settings. Go to Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi Setup. Select your network from the available list and enter the correct credentials. Run the built-in connection test to diagnose specific problems. Finally, ensure both your EETV Box Pro and router have the latest firmware updates installed. Outdated firmware causes 80% of compatibility issues. Check for updates in your device settings and router admin panel. Keeping firmware current prevents most connectivity problems and ensures optimal performance. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced Wi-Fi optimization becomes essential. Signal interference from other devices operating on the 2.4 GHz band is one of the most common causes of connectivity disruption. The solution is manual channel selection. Channels 1, 6, and 11 are the only non-overlapping channels on the 2.4 GHz band, and selecting one of these manually can reduce interference by up to 60%. Signal strength is critical for stable connectivity. Your EETV Box Pro requires a minimum signal strength of -70 decibels milliwatts for reliable streaming. Anything weaker will result in buffering and disconnections. If your signal strength is insufficient, Wi-Fi extenders and mesh network systems provide excellent solutions. Research shows that mesh networks improve connection stability by 78% compared to single router setups. Router compatibility can be a significant issue. Older routers manufactured before 2020 may experience handshake problems with newer EETV Box Pro models due to outdated firmware and security protocols. Security protocol compatibility is another critical factor. The transition to WPA3 has created compatibility gaps with some devices. Network engineers recommend maintaining WPA2/WPA3 mixed mode for optimal device compatibility. For rural installations with weak Wi-Fi signals, Powerline adapters offer an excellent alternative solution. These devices use your home's electrical wiring to extend network connectivity, providing stable connections even in challenging environments. These advanced optimization techniques address the most common connectivity challenges with EETV Box Pro. By implementing proper channel selection, ensuring adequate signal strength, upgrading network infrastructure, and choosing appropriate security settings, you can achieve reliable streaming performance.